Hello everyone, this is Voccent. Subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about the latest updates. We will introduce you to our teachers, or what we call them, content writers. And our first English author, Mike. Let's hear like he sounds.
Class of service.
Next, our author, Sarah.
Hello, I'm Teacher Sarah. Let's practice farm animals. Are you ready?
Let's listen to the next author, Dee.
What's your favorite part of your job? Yisipsi.
Next, our author, Ilaria.
Buon Natale a te e alla tua famiglia.
La campaña de publicidad ha aumentado las ventas de la empresa.
Let's listen to Lisa.
Good afternoon. Vanshan hao. Sonra görüşürüz.
Next, our author, Gladys.
Vosotras tenéis que estudiar para el examen.
And our English author, Anna.
An old coffee table.
We introduced some of our authors. Thank you for watching this video and start learning languages with Voccent.